Alright, time to open the Pandora's box, so to say, since, as you know, this project is called Sticker, and when opening my projects programming folder, you see at least, let's see how many related directories are in this directory. Let's see. Django, CMS factorization, GitHub clones, International Space Station location, job search, Lara test, mosaic, open portfolio site, simple sticker 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 of them, and 7, 8 directories. Now let's navigate them and find out which ones are most recent. Let's go to first web sticker. I know, well, it's 7 because the 8th is web sticker bug recreation, which is already fixed. So let's look into git log. This is the 14th of October. And how many branches does it have? Admin branch, machine play spike, master, web sticker mode. Alright, I think I struck gold. Because stage tickets mediamatic. You know, that's for some workshop. That's for some freaky workshop. Alright. Messy programmer, am I right? So we also navigate to sticker, just ordinary sticker, and see git log. This is March of 10th. Alright, this is very not recent, so we go back and then we, I guess, sticker in Heroku, sticker legacy, sticker test driven development. I think these are all quasi projects and quasi folders. So I think the web sticker is the best one. But here we've got some funny stager tickets mediamatic orders. Now that's a funny thing. We'll just move them, you know. We'll just move them. Let's make a folder called non-programming. Alright, and we go and we move the web stickers not sticker, stager. Okay. Maybe we can do it like this. Stager, tickets order number, and then it's with R. I wish I knew how to just get all of them, but I don't know how. Missing destination. It's missing the destination. So let's just say non-programming. No such file or directory. We may have to use the cp command. No such file or directory. Web sticker. Okay. There is some funny stuff going on, so let's still use env. And now maybe we can just look up what's the correct command. Let's just say bash move all files starting with, alright, starting with a dash, starting with a certain string. Alright, to delete all files you can use So find, just first find by name, which has a name. You can execute. Alright. So if I understand correctly, you call find function in the current directory by the name, and this is the regular expression, and then this is the exec. What is the exec? Which version has an exec switch? What does the exec thing do? Let's find out. That runs an executable file in the context of an already ongoing process. Alright, rm. This thing, I don't know what these things do. Like, I know what rm does to remove, exec, and then open and close brackets, and this thing confuses me. So I don't really know what to do, you know? You can also add f as an rm argument so you don't get prompted. Are you sure you want to remove? Which version of grep has an exit switch? Why does this comment have downvotes? The same as earlier answers. Alright. Delete all files in the current directory. Alright. Never use backup first, also do a dry run. Okay. For me, try below command. Alright. This dude managed with only like this funny regular expression. But maybe this is a troll, you know? This is a very like a Occam Razor type of thing that I'm gonna try now. So let's do it. Oh, you know? Oh, no such file or directory. Okay. Let's just do it like this. No such file or directory. Oh, hold up. Well, there are still two files over here. So if we go back, why did it say no such file or directory? .pdf. I just forgot the PDF end file, you know, over here. Oh. I don't know. I don't know why this is so I mean, it's working out for me. It's just funny, you know. If we check out the web sticker, it's empty now, and then just change into web sticker and then clear. Alright, so now I know that I have already started to make WebSockets instead of Ajax script that my game ran previously, but don't worry about that, you will get to understand it. For right now I will just do a git checkout on master branch. Your local changes to the following files would be overwritten. Please commit your changes or stash them. Alright, let's open a code. I mean VS Code. Let's open VS Code and see where are the conflicting stuff. Oh, this is a tracker, but of what? Of bugs? I don't know. What is this amount of bugs? I don't know. Pull request? I don't know. A large workspace. You have Docker installed on your system. Okay, linter pylint is not installed. Doesn't matter. Ha. Now what is this M thing do? What is this M thing? Let's see. There's some M stuff going on. There's a fab file. There's a virtual env file, web sticker file. Alright, so It seems like right now it seems app.js, user web interface app.js has some conflicting stuff going on in it. And I don't see any conflicting stuff in it. Maybe it's down there. Oh my god, look at this ugly folder. Look at this. Look at me and laugh. Look at me and laugh. Look at all these empty spaces. Look at all these empty spaces. It's insane. But I just like it says your local changes. Okay. I understand. This is wow. All right. I'm really out of the practice because the nothing has changed. It just said that right now I have loose ends. If I do git status, I just get a bunch of like messages that I didn't commit stuff previously. So just let's just say git add all and then say git commit, and we shall say, yo, we don't know what's going on. These changes are just so we can make a checkout. Git commit only to be able to or maybe no. Let's not be the bad guys over here. Let's see git diff. Let's see git diff head. Alright, first of all, there is something done to the URLs. So we see path, machine, string, position, get, move. So what's changed? This line isn't really changed. So we see we added, like I previously added new paths in the URLs, and I also like constructed this class called igra, which means game. Yeah, a bunch of this stuff is in Slovenian. Sorry guys, I will make it into English. I will make everything proper, don't worry. Actually, this will be the next thing, to make everything in proper English. So this thing made a class called igra, aka game. Alright, that's some big overrides. Some changes to the app.js file. Const get element, and then some apparently large changes to app.js file. Okay. Like I know this is a move for game win. This is some styling. It's everything in app.js. So app.js handled. Alright. Let's see. Git remove catched. How to clear git tzadche. Alright, ready? Git roma tzadche tfile name. Git roma catched. Let's see. Wow, there are a lot of things. Let's just remove deploy tools. Cannot do it recursively without R. Alright. And then we say, why is manage dot I don't know. I feel like a stupid person right now. Like I just like removed deploy tools. Why did I do that? Like so you wanna tell me I thought I cleared the git thing, but if I go to my fuck man, I won't do that. There's probably a better way to solve this. This thing lied to me. Like, do not forget the option. I did not forget. Let's just do it like this. Let's just do everything. Alright, let's just do everything. Alright, ls, it's still everything there. Oh, I catch this from the past. Like this stuff that was catched right now, it was of all time, not from just the previous commit. Alright, so if you say git status now, this everything over here was deleted and these things are untracked. So like, this is a mess, you know, this is a mess. So let's just say git add all, git status, everything is inside, and say git commit, committing to be able to switch to a master branch had not worked on this project a long time. Apparently last changed / modified / repaired styling in app.js and made an appropriate end game screen for winning scenario. I think this is nicely and verbose. And then apparently opened up URL paths in url.py and apparently modified game logic by making / modifying, because I don't know if I made it or modified it, by making / modifying class igra, Slovenian for game. Alright, so let's just say git checkout master, switch to branch master. Your branch is ahead of origin master by 6 commits. Use git push to publish your local commits. Like this git warnings are always so notorious. I mean, sometimes it says, oh, use this, it will help you, but I mean, it doesn't. Look, failed to push some revs, updates were rejected because remote contains work that you do not have locally. This is usually caused by, you see, you know. So alright, we just see the remote, git remote origin, rename, add, set, verbosa. I wanna see it. Origin, git remote, verbose. Woo! Remote set URL, set head. I just wanna see, man. I just wanna see what kind of remote I'm talking about. Like git help, fetch, pull, branch, checkout, diff, show, reset, add, clone, initialize, fetch, merge, rebase, commit, check. Oh, nothing that I would need. See also git help everyday, git help tutorial, git help revisions, examine the history and state. Yeah, that's what I would need before. Oh, history and state. Use binary search to print lines matching a pattern, show commit logs, show various types of objects, show the working tree status. Alright, git status on branch master. Your branch is ahead. It's ahead. And if I say git push, like, let's decode this, you know. Why not? Say, it says it failed to human. At least now we know which which repository is the right one. Which, let's just put it over here. It's public anyways. So we go to updates were rejected because the remote contains work that you do not have locally. So local branch has changes, has 6 commits, is 6 commits ahead of the remote, and the remote also has things that local branch doesn't have. So this is a whole lot of mess. But I guess that happens really a lot in practical situations. So let's solve it. That you do not have locally. This is usually caused by another repository pushing to the same ref. Yes, you might first want to integrate remote changes, git pull before pushing again. Alright, git pull, or let's say git commit, git pull, merge. Okay, we can do that, obviously. Let's say git log merge branch. Alright, the last time I worked on it is November 19th. So let's see what kind of thing we made. Git help review. We don't even need to look for the help, like we can see it right over here. The Pandabot was changed. The Pandabot, the GitHub, the Pandabot just updated the readme. I mean, yeah. Merge made by the it just updated the origin the Pandabot. Okay, it updated the Pandabot. Readme MD got 15 plus lines. What are these the 15 plus lines that got added? Now I see. I made this text right over here in the GitHub editor. I did not do it here or here, so that was the thing. And also, like, a Dependabot made 2 new branches apparently, with cryptography updated and Django updated. But yeah, that's it. Thing solved. Now let's just say git push. Alright, let's push it. And it should be fine. It says found 3 vulnerabilities. It's those Django stuff. That's always that a new version of Django comes out, always Dependabot finds vulnerabilities with older versions. That's annoying. I'm like, I mean, if I would have a real production grade applications, it would be fine. But with this kind of useless projects, it really doesn't matter. So right now we can see we are at the right branch, at the right repository, the right branch. Git stuff is taken care of. So this has been finding the directory and getting it up to date. In the next video we'll explore if everything plays correctly, and we shall demonstrate what works, like what is this project all about. Bye.